Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bigo Live application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up a web browser and downloading an Android emulator. You can download almost any Android emulator that you find throughout the internet. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks 5. Once you've downloaded the emulator, click it open and launch it on. After you open up your emulator, click on the Play Store option. If required, you'll need to type in your Google account credential to open up the Play Store option in your Android emulator. Once you reach to this page, go to the search area and type in Bigo Live and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed on the screen. Click on the application right here and click on the install button right next to it to begin the downloading process. Wait until the download is finished. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any application on your devices. After you're done with the download and installation, you'll be able to see this kind of a button that says open. Click on open and there you have Bigo Live downloaded for your PC. Now select the country code from the drop down, type in your phone number and then click next in order to log in. You can also go and pick one of the choices from the bottom in order to log into your Bigo Live account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.